Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Netflix history. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into your Netflix and click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen and click on Account. Now, when you click on Account, you'll have to simply scroll down and click on Manage Profiles button at the bottom. Now, choose your profile from this under Profile Settings. Now, scroll down and navigate to the option that says Viewing Activity. Manage viewing history and ratings. Now, when you click on this button, it will instantly show your activity, that is your history on Netflix. You'll have to simply click on this hide from viewing history option, that is this icon at the right side of every movie you would have watched. So, in order to remove any of these movies, you'll have to simply click on hide from viewing history and that will instantly hide that from your Netflix history. As you can see, within 24 hours, this movie will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations for you unless you watch it again. So, you'll have to simply scroll down and click on this hide from viewing history and that would instantly delete it from your history. So that is a simple way through which you can delete your Netflix history. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.